Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and it's giving you an error E40 and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to fix it. So first of all, the E40 error is a door lock error. So it's sensing that it's not able to lock properly. Now the good news is that we know where it is. The bad news is what's causing this can be anything from the door lock itself, the wiring to the door lock, the sensor that senses the door lock, the control panel that interacts with the sensors and the wiring. It could be really anywhere along there. And if it's not at the door lock, you're probably going to have a technician fix it. But you can check the door lock itself before you call a technician. So to check the door lock itself, you just want to make sure that there's nothing that would be preventing this from mechanically operating properly. So we want to make sure that there's no, like sometimes some lint or some gunk or something, some debris can end up inside the locking mechanism, or there can be a buildup of gunk on the latch. Even like too much grease or something like that can prevent it from getting that proper locking, latching operation that will get things working right. So anyways, the first thing to check to try to get rid of this error is to check physically the mechanics of your lock. And if that doesn't fix it, then you're probably going to need to call a technician to figure out, is it the wiring, is it the control board, etc. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.